Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! So, andito tayo ngayon sa Brittany Falaso. So, ayan guys, etong Brittany Falaso ay sobrang ganda, napakalaking church or simbahan na pinagkakasalan talaga ng mga sikat na artista, sikat na mga content creator. Basta mayayaman guys na maraming pera, ayan dito talaga sila madalas nagpapakasal. At hindi lang kasal ang pwede dito guys, pwede ka rin dito mag-birthday o mag-dibo or may mga event-event. At sa likod naman yan guys ay yung subdivision. Maraming subdivisions dito guys na mayayaman and talagang gaganda ng bahay nila. At ito, Ibiya yan. Yan yung Ibiya ng malaking mall. At napakaganda rin yan guys. Parang nasa ibang bansa ka pag pumasok ka dyan sa loob ng Ibiya. So ayan yung view guys. At yun ang Salora, yung building na yan. Yan yung Salora. Malapit lang ito sa bahay guys. Mga ilang minutes lang makakarating dito talaga pag galing ka sa amin. Kaya sobrang lapit lang talaga. Naalala ko dati, wala pang pandemic guys, nandito kami lagi tuwing Sunday, nagja-jogging kami dito and napakasarap kasi mag-jogging dito dahil malawak siya, maluwag, and ang daming nagbabike dito guys, maraming mga tao ditong nagja-jogging, nakaka-enjoy talaga kasi maganda na yung view and malawak pa, maluwag pa siya. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito guys, kung gusto nyong magpunta dito, ayan, punta lang kayo dito. So, ayoko nang magdaldal guys at panoorin nyo na lang, i-enjoy nyo yung view. So, eto na, manood kayo, enjoy!
I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the...
Nandyan kami sa ilalim ng puno dahil medyo mainit na. Umabot na yata ng 9 o'clock, nandyan kami. So parang medyo mainit na talaga kaya nasa ilalim kami ng puno. Maraming mga puno dyan guys, kaya masarap tumambay dyan at magpahangin. So dito makikita nyo yung harap ng Ibiya Mall. So ayan siya, tingnan nyo guys, sobrang ganda. And lalo na kung kayo ay pumasok sa loob niyan, sobrang ganda, para talaga kayong nasa ibang bansa. As in. So kung hindi nyo pa napupuntahan, puntahan nyo na ito guys. Napakaganda dyan. Napakaganda ng Ibiya Mall and yung charts na Brittany Falaso. Sobrang ganda.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough